Alright, welcome back to another video. So today I'm talking about a USB DVR camera for your aftermarket Android stereo. So this really only applies to FYT-based stereos. There are a lot of different FYT-based stereos on the market, whether they advertise that or not. So FYT would be like older joining stereos, like Android 10 ones. In this case, this is one that's custom fit for my 2005 F-150, but it has that kind of hardware in it. If you need to check, you can download an app called DevCheck. And this app's good for many things, but it will show you the actual hardware that's in your system. There's a lot of marketing, Android 13, Android 12. Really, most of these units are all Android 10. And you can tell that by looking here. We can see that it's running Android 10, even though they said this is Android 13. But besides that, this is a UAS 8581. Manufacturer says SPRD, but do some research. You'll figure out whether or not it's FYT. In my case, it is. So the DVR is from a company called DUDUAUTO. They make a really nice DVR that comes in this little pouch here, comes with the wiring. So basically on the camera, it's a USB-C connection. There's a micro SD card, supports up to 256 gigabytes. In my case, I have a 128. You do need a class 10 or higher high-speed card because this is a 2K DVR. It's just a matter of plugging it into a free USB port on your Android head unit and then plugging it into the camera and using a double-sided tape to mount it in the window. Once you have that, you'll go into your file manager and there will be a USB drive that appears. There's this BDVR APK. What you'll want to do is install that, which I've already done. Once it's installed, it will ask for some permissions. Give it the permissions it requires. It will download the newer version of the app, and then you will have this DVR 2K app, as you can see right here. Click on it. Opens up the screen. Here's our DVR. It's recording. It records audio. Nice crisp picture. In this case, this one does have working GPS for here in the United States. A lot of them don't. It's got our date and time, which it timestamps on the screen. What makes this one stand out over all of the other cheap USB Android DVR systems is that you can obviously review right on the head unit all your recordings, but that's not that exciting. What is exciting is the fact if I click this button right here, it shows a download, it has now downloaded that file to my head unit. So most of them, you can watch it on here, but you cannot export the video. You'd have to pull the micro SD card out, plug it into a computer or an SD card reader on your phone and get it that way. So now, if I go to local, this is the stuff that's on the head unit. So here's that video. I can find that elsewhere if I look. In our file manager, go to internal. If I click movies and Car DVR, here is the video. And you will need something like VLC. Some of the internal video players won't play it. So you can see here's a video. One of the other ones I downloaded, that other one's there. Now, what's nice about this is you can then export that. So if you want to email it to yourself, if you want to share it, if you want to throw it onto a USB drive, take it in with you, you can do that. Besides that, this DVR has some other features. Some of them have, it's got the ADAS feature, and I don't really use it. But while you're driving, it can tell you, if you're drifting out of your lane, once you calibrate it, if you're about to hit another car, some of that type of stuff. Here's in the settings, you can see, we can format the card, go to advanced settings, you can set how long you want it, you can turn GPS on and off, flip the camera if it's upside down, Your ADAS settings, you can do the calibration, choose between kilometers, miles per hour, voice alert, lane departure, forward collision, vehicle ahead, start movement, which means the vehicles are moving ahead of you. But this one really stood out to me. I recently installed one of these in another vehicle, and I put one in here because I really like it. Obviously, you can go aftermarket, like a Garmin traffic camera or any of the other brands, but this one is nice because of the integration with the Android head unit. So this will only work, again, with FYT-based Android head units, which there's a lot of them out there. I've also found that some of the cheaper ones don't always sync the date and time correctly. So you'll start your car, it'll be recording for a while, you'll go to review video, and the date and time is messed up because it didn't sync. This one installs a service, which it will ask you to install, that runs in the background all the time as soon as the unit starts, which will sync your date and time based on what your head unit says with the camera. So it's the best one I've found. I wanted to share it with everybody. If you want to buy it, there'll be a link in the description where you can get it. If you have any questions or comments, be sure to leave them below. Be sure to like the video and subscribe. And always, thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.